Hi, I'm Chris from Development. Let's take a quick look at how you can create custom server-side APIs using the Webmin. Inside the Webmin there is a projects area, and here you can actually manage your projects as far as creating your custom APIs. Now you don't have to use the Webmin to do this. This is covered extensively under server modules in the API section. Talks a lot about how you create your APIs, and you can do this again without using the Webmin, but just as a demonstration I'm going to show you how you can do that through the Webmin. Every Coronium Core has a default project, so that's what's that's shown here, but just for kicks we're going to add a new one, and we'll just call this our test project. So we'll just say test. So you just give it a name, alphanumeric characters, no spaces, and click Add Project. And then this project becomes added into your system here. So when you're ready to edit the code, you just go ahead and click the Edit Code button. And we're taken into the code editor here. And there's a warning at the top here that this code editor does not autosave, so you need to use either the hotkeys, Command S for Macintosh or Control S for Windows, or you can also use the save button up here. And so let's go ahead and just create something very simple. Just do an echo function, do API echo, and then input, and we'll end that. And we'll take, let's say we'll just take a name in here from our input, .name, and then we'll return something like hello name, and we can go ahead and save that. I'm just going to use my hotkey. Now you notice that the save button turns green. That means that this file is now saved. As soon as you start to make any changes to it, you'll see that the button goes yellow, which means that those changes have not been saved. So once that's done, we can go ahead, and all we got to do is jump into our demo project, and we're going to go ahead and add this as a project in our init settings here. And this is all covered in the guide as far as how you set up an API project. And then we'll just go ahead and call our API, and we're going to pass it our parameter, which was name, and then we'll use our response handler, and we'll run this in Corona, and we get our result, which is hello Jim. And that was basically our little code we put together here. So again, this just offers you one other alternative on where you can work on your code for your custom API. You can also do this without this Webmin. If you want to go ahead and delete your project, you can just go into the projects area, hit delete, and then you'll need to confirm it by putting in the name of the project here. So I'm just going to put in test. I'm going to delete that project, and then it's gone. So that's pretty much how you can utilize that area as far as being able to do your coding for your custom APIs right here in the Webmin. Thanks for watching.